Hi, hello everyone. This is Srikanth. In this video, adding worker node to EKS cluster. So first of all, one role created and another node group created. Let's do demo practical. So Amazon account, another login, search in IAM. So click on that IAM, create and load role search, roles click. So create a role, AWS service, AWS account, web identity, ఇలా different types ఉన్నాయి. మనం AWS service యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం కానీ ఇక్కడ. So service choose once, easy to. So next click on next. So three policies attached. Attached three policies. So go to steps. At Amazon worker node policy, copy. Go to paste here. So select. So next Amazon issue to contain registry read only policy, copy. Go to Amazon account, paste here. Selected. So next another policies, Amazon CNI policies, copy. Go to Amazon account. So paste here. Selected. So next click. Give the name dev. Dev and ఇక్కడ username cluster worker node role అని ఇచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే మనకు క్రియేట్ అవ్వదు, అందుకోసం మనం ఇక్కడ 2 అని తీసుకుంటాం, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ రోల్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన వాటి. మనకు ఈ సారీ issue to instance amazon.com. So next మనం 3 policies attached. Add new tag, name tag is very important. Dev cluster worker node role. So let's select, create a role. So one role created. So next step, create a EKS cluster, node group created. So go to EKS search in EKS search elastic Kubernetes service. EKS means, so other cluster created. Click on cluster, complete, click. So scroll down, add a node group, type name dev cluster worker node. So select role, dev cluster worker node to selected. So add new tag or important tag is name. So next dev cluster worker node, select. So next click on that. So default Amazon Linux is to selected. On demand or spot demand, on demand selected default. So T3 medium selected. So decide it to or minimum 2, same maximum 2. So next percentage wise selected. So next click. So to subnet, default subnet, next click. So check the review. So create a node. So cluster, they create a node. 10 to 15 minutes are server times. You can wait that. Okay. Refresh again. Refresh. Once again refresh. Once again refresh. So next issue to search in EC2 search and a node cluster is node group attached. So refresh. Sometime wait. EKS. So instance refresh again. So one node group created. So attached cluster. So next T3 medium types. So another node group is running. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Wait 10 to 50 minutes. One node group of cluster attached. So for any doubts in comment box. So do you interested Devops with the AWS GantaSoft Innovation Private Limited? Consulting me. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see the next video.